Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your Ooma phone number just isn't cutting it anymore? Maybe you've moved, or perhaps you're simply looking for a fresh start. Whatever the reason, you might be wondering, can I actually change my Ooma phone number? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand why you might want to change your Ooma phone number in the first place. Privacy concerns. Sometimes, personal reasons might lead you to want a new phone number. Perhaps you've had a bad experience or simply want to protect your privacy. Moving. If you've recently relocated, a new area code might be more appropriate for your Ooma phone number. This can help you connect with local businesses and services more easily. Business needs. For business owners, a new phone number can help you separate your personal and professional life. It can also give your business a more professional image. Can you change your Ooma phone number? Now, let's address the burning question. Can you actually change your Ooma phone number? The short answer is yes, you can. Ooma offers a process for changing your phone number, and it's relatively straightforward. Steps to change your Ooma phone number. Log into your Ooma account. The first step is to access your Ooma account online. This is where you'll manage your account settings and make changes to your phone number. Navigate to phone number settings. Once you're logged in, look for the section related to phone numbers. This might be labeled My Numbers or something similar. Request a new number. Within the phone number settings, you should find an option to request a new number. Click on this option to initiate the process. Choose a new number. Ooma will typically provide you with a list of available numbers to choose from. You can select a number based on your preferences, such as area code or specific digits. Confirm the change. After selecting your new number, review the details and confirm your request. Ooma will then process the change and assign the new number to your account. Additional considerations. Cost. While Ooma typically doesn't charge a fee for changing your phone number, there might be other costs associated with the process. For example, if you have a custom voicemail greeting or call forwarding setup, you might need to adjust these settings to match your new number. Porting versus new number. If you're switching to Ooma from another provider, you might have the option to port your existing phone number. This means keeping the same number you already have. However, if you prefer a fresh start, you can choose a new Ooma number instead. Time frame. The process of changing your Ooma phone number usually takes a few days to complete. This is due to the technical procedures involved in transferring your account information and assigning the new number. So, there you have it. Changing your Ooma phone number is definitely possible, and the process is relatively straightforward. Whether you're looking for privacy, a fresh start, or a more suitable number for your business, Ooma provides the tools to make it happen. Remember to log into your Ooma account, navigate to the phone number settings, and request a new number. Choose your preferred number from the available options and confirm the change. Keep in mind any additional considerations, such as costs and the time frame for the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.